name is Miley and welcome to my channel Smiley Prisha. Today we are going to make chocolate chip cookies. Yay, are you excited? Yeah, then let's start. We are going to take half cup of ghee. Now we're going to add half cup of powdered sugar. And now we are going to mix it properly. Mommy, please. Yeah, you have to mix it until the mixer got like this fluffy.
Yes.
And I do it very quickly.
Miley is really enjoying doing this. This is fun for her. You know, if you have an automatic machine, then that will be easier. With a hand whisker, you need a lot of time and effort. But Miley is enjoying it.
I don't want to do that another step. I would just want to do this.
Yes, okay, that's it, Miley.
Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon.
Vanilla essence. It should be good flavor. Vanilla essence, around 1 teaspoon.
And now let's mix it.
Nicely, smoothly. No need to hurry.
It is getting a little bit of brown, I think. We are going to add 1 cup of maida.
All-purpose flour. You can also use whole wheat flour if you're health conscious, and you can replace sugar with jaggery as well.
Mommy, we are going to add half teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. To it, we are going to add cocoa powder.
How much?
1
4th cup.
so brown, like so. Using a spatula, we are going to mix it properly. So brown. Let's get it.
Yay! Miley can't wait for her cookies. Chocolate cookies. Yummy!
मुझे मिक्स करना है. So good. It like spots. Some brown. Our mixture is ready. Now we are going to add milk.
Yeah, it looks like
Sand, I think.
kinetic sand.
Yeah, mommy, how it looks like.
Yes, it
Miley.
looks like just like sand, right, Miley?
Yeah, brown sand.
Instead of eating, we can play with it.
We add mud and in the sand it's brown. Like that only.
Now let's add 1/4 cup of milk.
And we are using a bowl to make a round shape.
Yes.
We are going to add 1/4 cup of milk.
Yep. Mix.
Mix. Hardly.
Ah! Oopsie! Come on, mix it.
I'm
Slowly, okay?
dirty clothes, so it is okay. My good clothes are not bad. Going to mix fresh with milk. So hard. I can do.
Now Miley has turned into a chef, huh?
Yeah, I think so. But not a big chef.
Little Miley, little chef. Mix. Should I help you?
No, I don't need him. It is getting more nicer. It is getting whiter. Little bit of light brown. You can see our dough is combined together, and now we are going to add choco chip in last. So much.
Around 1/4 cup.
That's some stick. We now going to, with the help of a spatula, we're going to mix it and we're going to put it in the refrigerator. So
Yes.
brown, black type of color the chips are. The choco chips are actually.
Do not mix it too much or else the choco chip will deconstruct. And then we need to refrigerate for how many minutes?
15 minutes.
Yes.
Is it done? We are going to refrigerate for 15 minutes. I should put it right here, I think.
Yes.
That's a lot of. First, put a parchment paper on this baking tray.
Yes, you can use butter paper or
A parchment.
parchment paper. Don't have a baking tray, so we are using this steel plate because nothing can stop us from making this cookie today. Isn't it, Miley?
Let's take some with the hand. Cannot take that.
Yes, you need to make some balls, small balls.
Like
Take some more.
brown snowballs.
Yeah. Take it and make balls.
I don't know how to.
Do round,
It's like,
just like you roll a clay.
yeah, I was going to say that. Is it done?
Place it here. Yes, and we need to press it a little bit. That's it. Yes. Similarly, make the others. Quickly.
I hate that in last. That is so fun, like brown clay. I waited till last, I think.
Yes. Maybe you also make mine.
Mommy's
We
house.
are going to make balls like this and press it in the similar way. Do not ज़्यादा कस के नहीं करना है, okay?
Is it done?
Yes.
This much, I think. Fun. Yeah, I take so much.
Yes. Paste this one here.
How? 3, I think, is enough for now. We are going to add chocolate chip in last and upper plates,
On top of the cookies.
and then we are going to put it in the oven.
Yes, we need to bake it at 180 degrees centigrade for 12 to 15 minutes. We have already preheated our oven. Now it's time to bake it. Our cookies has come out well. Now we are going to let it cool on a stand. It is hot. She can't wait. Is it yummy, Miley?
It is so cheap.
Mmm.
Our cookies are ready. And bye-bye.